The most effective non-toxic spider treatment that nobody talks about. And the great thing is it actually works on all spiders, even brown recluse and black widows. Come on, let's go do this thing together. It's called Web Out. And literally nobody's talking about this product because it was originally designed to remove spider webs. But here's the thing, don't let the name fool you because it does so much more than just remove spider webs. It actually literally kills and repels spiders up to 5 to 6 months on the inside of your house and 2 months on the outside of your house. And not only spiders, it does crickets, ants, roaches, and even mosquitoes. So today I'm going to show you everything you're going to need to know about this product, how to use it, and where to use it. And one of the most frequently asked questions I have on my YouTube channel is this: is it safe for kids? Is it safe for pets? Hey, we love our babies, right? And I want to say it's absolutely safe for kids and absolutely safe for pets. This is a non-toxic alternative to getting rid of spiders out of your home. I'm going to drop a link in the description below just in case you want to check it out. So let's start on the outside. We got a lot of critical areas that I want to show you. You can get you one of those cobweb dusters. I'll put a link in the description below. So you're going to want to get one of these. And the reason why is because not only to knock down the spider webs that are around your home, you're going to want to also take this product and you're going to want to spray your cobweb duster. The first areas that you're going to want to apply this product is going to be along the edges where spiders make their nests. Around doors, these corners are hot spots. These lights, especially when they're turned on at night, it's going to attract bugs. Look at the spider webs inside there. And if you need to reapply this, just reapply it, okay? That way you're just having a nice even coat on this cobweb duster. And so you're knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. You're knocking down cobwebs, you're applying this product at the same time. Smart thinking. These are obvious areas around your windows. Be careful around the glass because it will leave a residue on that glass. You know what the amazing thing is that it can be applied to brick, stucco, wood, metal, vinyl siding, all types of surfaces. So it don't matter what surface you have, you can apply this stuff to it. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that's a spider egg sac. And there's little areas all the way around. There's areas all around the cedar that you can tell the spiders are hiding up in these cracks. You see all those bugs that are caught in the spider webs right up in here? This Web Out just takes it right off. Look at that. Super easy. Look at that. Super, super easy. This comes right off. Look how clean that is. It's easier for them spider webs also to come off when you use this Web Out. And it's leaving that residual so they won't build them spider webs back. You can apply it to your patio furniture as well. See these chairs, the couch, little fireplace area. These are excellent areas for spiders to want to hide in. And you come out here to have a cup of coffee or have dinner with the family or just hang out and just be alone. Spiders can hide in a lot of these little different areas right in here. So you can either take it and spray it like this. This is going to be the quickest way to do it. This is the way I like to do it. Or if you want, you can use the cobweb duster and do the same thing also. If you don't want to bend down, especially on the back of your patio furniture like this. We don't normally think about our grill area or let's say our outdoor kitchen, but spiders love to hang out around these areas. And you remember I said it also kills ants, crickets, and roaches. You just want to make sure you don't get it on any food prep areas. That's no bueno. Don't do that. Just get around the areas that the spiders are going to want to make their webs. Now, I don't know about you. I like a pool, but you know what I hate to do? I hate to lift up the skimmer lid and there'll be a spider in there. I reached my hand in there one day just to get one out, and that joker bit me right on the hand. And I ain't gonna lie, that thing hurt. And so you know what I do? I'll take the skimmer lid off and I can spray it around here. Oh, did I mention that this stuff is biodegradable? Yeah, you can spray it around water, docks, marinas, boats. It's completely safe. That's why this is the most effective non-toxic spider treatment that nobody talks about. Or you can spray the top of your lid. I'm going to keep telling you this. It will last up to 60 days outside, 5 to 6 months on the inside. If you have any storage boxes around the outside of your home, these are good areas. If you just think about it, any area where you're going to have spiders, spider webs, ants, roaches, crickets, anything like that, you're going to want to apply this product to it on the outside. A lot of people don't want to put their kids in a play set. It's going to be full of spiders. I'll get up underneath these things real good. Hey, I don't know about you, but I don't want my kids getting bit by spiders. And my kids, when they were little, loved to play on swings and slides and things of that nature. Perfect hot spots for spiders to hide. Brown recluse, black widows, wolf spiders. And you can use this web out to make sure that it's a non-toxic alternative. So when your kids are playing on it, you don't have to worry about them getting a pesticide on them. One of the precautions that I want to warn you about when applying this product on the inside is that it does have an odor. Okay, so if your wife is like my wife, she has a really good nose, right? So she's got a nose like a bloodhound. So I have to apply this very lightly on the inside. So that's why I put it on the cobweb duster on the outside, because I just want a light, even coverage on the inside. And the first place I like to start is at the baseboard areas, okay? If you have one of these poles, you don't even have to bend down. This thing's amazing. Look at that. So the baseboards are going to be a key area. Your window sills are going to be key areas. Get all the way around that thing. Those spiders like to hide in those corners. Windows are hot spots for spiders. When we go into a lot of houses, when we do our regular pest control, you know where we always see spider webs and spiders? Up top in these ceiling areas. Okay, that's why you need a pole long enough to get in these areas. Do me a favor and don't tell my wife I know how to clean a little bit, because she's going to make me do this all the time, okay? We only get paid to do this. Don't forget your kitchen areas. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can pull out the refrigerator. You can get behind here real good. Get that product behind, get that web out behind the refrigerator. Where a lot of spiders like to hide. Not to mention ants, roaches, crickets. The first time that you're going to do this, you're going to probably have to work and put a little bit of effort into it. But once you get it on a routine basis, it's going to come pretty easy. It's not going to be that hard the next time. So furniture areas are good areas that you can apply this product. You can lift up the cushions. See right in here. When you're applying it to any fabric surfaces, just be careful. It could stain it. In my experience, the only thing that's really stained or left a residue is going to be on the windows. So, but I don't know your fabrics. I don't know your furniture. I don't know your bedding. Test it out first. I'd hate for you to spray it on there and somehow it stains it and ruins it. See, brown recluse and black widows. This is going to kill them too. Don't forget, up underneath any furniture areas, your desks, Hey, if you got any comments on any non-toxic spider treatments, that how you deal with them, put them in the chat below. I want to hear from you, okay? I appreciate all the comments that I get. Y'all got some wild stuff out there, so I appreciate everything that y'all do. But here's another thing, is like the beds, the bedding area. A lot of people that I've talked to, they said they have brown recluses in their bed, brown recluses in their couches, and things of that nature. You can use this product there, and it's going to be completely non-toxic. It's not like you're applying pesticides and poisons on your bed. These are areas on your bed that you're not really always thinking about. Light, even application. Spiders love to make nests up in here. I mainly see spider webs on the outside, but you'll be amazed on how many I see on the inside too. If you have a long pole, look at that. You can reach a long way. This is called the Worcester Sherlock. I like this. It's fiberglass. It's very adjustable. Just make sure you don't get it around your food bowls, or your water bowls. Mainly on the inside, I'm doing it on the ceilings and around areas like this. You can also apply this in attics and basements, crawl spaces, around the toilet areas and the corners over here. These spiders love to get over here. Hey, I don't know about you, but I hate spiders. I don't want spiders in my house. I understand that there is a purpose and a place for spiders, but that purpose and that place for spiders is not in my house. Also, too, I got a bonus tip on how to use a non-toxic product to go along with this. Your closets are going to be hot spots for spiders because there's going to be a lot of places for spiders to hide. So don't forget to go in the areas of your closet that spiders are going to want to hide. You can apply this and everything's going to be okay. Gonna put it up here. See what that is? That's an attic entrance. Spiders will hide up in that attic entrance. Oh, by the way, don't get this stuff in your eyes, it'll burn. I probably should be wearing eye protection, but I'm sorry, I don't have it on right now. Don't forget your garage. Your garage is going to be a good area where spiders and ants and crickets and roaches are going to want to love to hang out. And you can use this product in your garages as well. The obvious is going to be around your doors. Going to be up top in those high corners. This is where that web duster is going to come in handy. I mean, seriously, how many times you go in someone's garage and you see a bunch of spiders on the top of the ceiling or around the windows and doors? All the time. Your windows are hot spots. See all them spider webs? Gone. Look at that. Gone. Wow. Don't tell my wife I know how to do this. She's going to have me cleaning the whole house. But you see how it's getting rid of all those. Look at that. It works amazing. There's a couple spiders in there. Well, guess what? They're dead now. Look how clean that is now. Perfect. This is an area right here that has a lot of spider activity, especially up around this window. Water heaters. The bottom. Workout equipment. You want to work out and have spiders on, you know. Attic areas. Get up there and get them spiders, baby. Garage entrances. In a couple of my videos, I've had people get those products that I recommended and they commented back how much they enjoyed it and they said, thank you. This is no different. If you buy this product and you use it, I want to hear how you like it. I want to know your results. Put them down in the chat below. If you got any questions, you can email me, info@aerops.com. I try to answer every single comment. I answer every single email. If you got any questions, I talk to people in Arizona, Mississippi, Georgia, California, Oregon, Washington, North Carolina, South Carolina, Maine, Louisiana, and Texas. People all over watching this stuff, okay? Did I mention this product's non-toxic? Yeah, of course I did. It's in the title. Okay, I got one last thing that I want to show you. It's kind of a bonus thing that I really wasn't going to do, but I got to thinking that this is about non-toxic spider treatments. And so here's one last thing that you can do that's really going to help you in conjunction with the web out. It's actually another product, and it's called diatomaceous earth. A lot of people call it DE powder. Okay, you can get some DE powder and put it in a bulb duster. It's got a little extension here with a curved tip. Okay, you can also use this in conjunction with your web out. It's going to also just take care of a lot of the different insects too. But here's the thing, a lot of people don't think about this, and it's putting some DE powder in behind here. Just take your DE powder. There's the junction box, and then there's the sheetrock. You can put it in between that, but be careful. Do not get that metal tip on any of those hot wires, or you're going to have some problems. Adding that DE powder to your web out is going to be a game changer. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a non-toxic approach to spiders, ants, crickets, or roaches, I'm telling you, you can use the web out in conjunction with the diatomaceous earth, and you're going to have some good products that are going to give you some good results. Hey, if you're looking for the most effective non-toxic spider treatment that nobody talks about, then web out's something you're going to want to get, okay? I'll drop a link in the description below so that way you can check it out. And by the way, thank you guys for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and making our channel what it is today. Without you guys, we are nothing. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a great day, and God bless.